Reason 1. You rely on motivation instead of systems. Motivation is what gets you started, but it is never what keeps you going. You feel fired up on day 1. You wake up early, you work out, you eat clean, you feel unstoppable. Then day 4 arrives. The feeling is gone, and without the feeling, you stop. This is the motivation trap. You built your consistency on an emotion, and emotions are temporary. Disciplined people don't wait to feel motivated. They have systems, a fixed time to wake up, a set workout, a non-negotiable routine. The system runs whether the feeling is there or not. Do this. Write down one habit you want to build. Assign it a fixed time every day. Same time, no negotiation. The time decides, not your mood. Reason 2. You try to change everything at once. New diet, new workout, new sleep schedule, new morning routine, new mindset, all starting Monday. By Wednesday, everything has collapsed. This is not a willpower problem. This is a biology problem. Your brain can only handle so much change at once. When you overload it, it shuts down and goes back to what is familiar. One change compounded over time is more powerful than 10 changes abandoned in a week. Do this. Pick one habit only. Just one. Do it every day for the next 21 days before adding anything else. Reason 3. You have no clear reason why. Why do you want to wake up early? Why do you want to be disciplined? Why do you want to change? If your answer is vague, your commitment will be vague. I want to be better is not a reason. It is a wish. A real reason is specific, personal, and emotional. It is something that makes you get up even when you don't want to. Without a strong why, the moment things get hard, you will always find a reason to quit. Do this. Write down your one real reason for wanting to change, not the surface reason. Go deeper. Why does it actually matter to you? Keep that written somewhere you see every day. Reason 4. You treat a missed day like a failed journey. You miss one workout, so you skip the rest of the week. You eat badly one day, so you abandon the entire diet. You sleep in once, so you give up the morning routine completely. One missed day is not a failure. It is just one missed day. The most dangerous moment in building consistency is not the first miss. It is the decision you make after the first miss. Missing once is an accident. Missing twice is a choice. Missing 3 times is a new habit. Do this. Next time you miss a day, do not skip the next one, no matter what. Even if it's a smaller version, even if it's just 5 minutes. Never miss twice. Reason 5. Your environment is working against you. You want to read more, but your phone is always in your hand. You want to sleep early, but your room is set up for staying awake. You want to eat clean, but your house is full of junk food. Willpower is weak. Environment is strong. You will always eventually give in to whatever your environment makes easy. So stop fighting your environment with willpower and start designing it for the habits you want. Do this. Change one thing in your environment today. Put your book on your pillow. Delete one app from your home screen. Put your phone in another room at night. Small environment change, big behavior change. Reason 6. You're waiting for the perfect conditions. I'll start when I'm less busy. I'll begin when things calm down. I'll be consistent when my schedule is better. The perfect conditions are never coming. Life will always be busy. There will always be something. The people who build consistency don't wait for perfect conditions. They build habits inside imperfect ones. Even 10 minutes counts. Even a shorter version counts. Even doing it badly counts. Showing up imperfectly is infinitely better than not showing up at all. Do this. Think of the habit you keep postponing. Now ask, what is the smallest possible version I could do today? Do that today, not Monday. Reason 7. You never track your progress. When you don't track, you don't see how far you've come. And when you can't see progress, your brain assumes there is none. So it stops trying. Tracking is not just about accountability. It is about giving your brain proof that what you're doing is working. Every tick on a habit tracker, every entry in a journal, every measurement recorded tells your brain this is real, this is working. Keep going. Without tracking, consistency feels pointless. With tracking, every single day feels like a win worth protecting. Do this. Get a simple notebook. Draw 7 boxes for the next 7 days. Every day you complete your habit. Fill a box. Don't break the chain. You don't fall off because you're weak. You fall off because nobody taught you how consistency actually works. It is not about motivation. It is not about talent. It is not about having the perfect life setup. It is about systems, small steps, a strong why, and showing up even when you don't feel like it. Pick one reason from this video that describes you the most. Fix that one thing first. Because when you fix the root, everything else starts to grow. Save this video. You're going to need it on the days you want to quit. See you in the next one.